When I went to my very first dance class as an adult, I remember wanting to feel like a character. I went in like really baggy sweatpants and these like deep V American Apparel t-shirts that were really popular at the time. And I walked into the studio like wanting to fit in. I was trying to be somebody else versus the way that we want to deliver dance as an experience is to embrace the people as they are and embrace the people who come to us wherever they're at in their journey, and there's no expectation to be something else. When I started moving, it was because I had gone through a loss. My little sister had passed away in a car accident when she was 17, and that was my first significant loss in my life. Dance to me was an escape. It was somewhere where I turned on a Beyonce song, I felt the power of her music, and I was able to move as if nothing else was happening. And when your body is so focused on getting the moves and your mind is so concentrated on what it's doing, there was no room in my mind for my grief. And so that became my break, that became my hour of joy. I wanted to be able to share what I found in the power of movement and the joy that movement brought me with others. So now we've developed a program where a lot of people come to us with no movement experience at all. They may not even be active in their regular lives, and they just want to try dance because it's fun and it's something that we make really possible for them. One of the things that we often see are people at the top of their game when we see dance. They're prima ballerinas or they're like hip hop stars who are on tour with these amazing musical artists. But the interesting part is that it's your own flavor that really makes you stand out. So yes, you want to be able to do the movement the way that the person is showing you sometimes, but once you can embody your own personality, sometimes the best stuff happens when you're truly yourself. So if that means mistakes, if that means you're laughing as you go along through things, it's a part of the discovery of what your personality is and your own unique signature and how you move. And we need to embrace that. It can be really hard to take that first step. I always found that, putting on my sports bra and tying my running shoes was like the hardest part of a workout. Because once I get into the space and I feel the energy of the people around me, or once I press play on a song, everything could flow from there. It's just that one breath that you have to take to just really commit to yourself that you're gonna do something that you know is good for you. Sometimes the things that are good for us are the hardest things to give ourselves. I always knew what it did for me when I was going through my grief, but seeing that come to life in other people in different ways is something I don't think I expected when we started this. We have always had dance as a part of storytelling, as a part of the way that we express joy, in many cultures the way we express sadness, and that has no age limit, no body expectation. That is something that everyone can do. And the way that we have designed our programs and the way that I would encourage you to explore is to take things at a pace that works for you, but there is something for everyone. So no matter what your level, your ability is right now, I promise you that you can take something away from this and you can use dance as a way to just feel good.
Yeah, seriously, I'm genuinely...
Okay, so I'll see you guys all in class tonight.